In this video, you'll learn how to change your Gmail theme in just a few minutes, so you can personalize your inbox and make it look exactly the way you want. First, open your browser and go to gmail.com. Sign into your Google account, and once you're inside your inbox, look for the gear icon in the top right corner. This is where all your settings live. Next, click on the gear icon to open the Quick Settings panel. You'll see a section called Theme near the top of the menu. Click View All to explore every available option for customizing your inbox. Now, browse through the theme gallery. Gmail offers dozens of beautiful options, from solid colors to high-resolution photos and dark mode designs. Click any theme to instantly preview how it'll look in your inbox. After that, if you want a personal touch, scroll down and select My Photos. You can upload your own image and use it as your Gmail background, making your inbox truly unique and tailored to your style. Once you've picked your favorite, click Save to apply the new theme. Gmail will instantly update your inbox with the new design across all devices where you're signed into your account. And that's it. Your Gmail now has a fresh new theme that perfectly matches your style and makes checking your inbox more enjoyable.